This is a quick video on how to write a post in the Class of 69 private membership site. You can write a new post by clicking the Write New Post link, clicking on New and choosing New Post, or if you're logged in, there's another place you can click it. So we're going to click the Write New Post link. It takes us into the classic post editor. I recommend that you use this for your post. It's very easy to use. It works a lot like using a page editor like Word. It's going to be a general post. We'll get into categories later on. Once we start making lots of posts, we'll want to categorize them. We give the post a title, how to use the editor to make a post, and then we begin using it just like we would Word. We start typing, and you can use any one of these to change the way you're writing. You can also go back and choose something by highlighting it and then applying any one of these formatting options. Link. It also respects the classic commands, the keyboard commands, which would be Control plus a character or Command plus a character on a Mac. So if I want to turn off bold, I do Control or Command plus B, it turns it off. Control or Command plus I turns italic off. Control plus U or Command plus U turns underline off. Link to my website. Now I want a link, and you can do this if you're sharing something outside an article you want to discuss or point people at. You put the link to the article in, you click Insert a Link, and then you type in the link. Or you can copy and paste the link. I'll show you how to do that too. So in that case, I typed it in. I can go get a link. In your address bar, you just Control C, or however you generally highlight and copy, and then you paste it. You apply it, and then you're done. You're ready to move on. The other thing you're going to do in your posts is add pictures. When you add a picture, you want to go into the media library. You can go to the upload files, but in fact, all you have to do is go get a picture and drag and drop it. So you drag and drop the picture. It uploads. And right now it's being crunched. And the alt text box is for text readers, screen readers, particularly for blind people. So I always fill this in just because I want to be kind. You can center the text, link to something, and what size. Well, this is a big picture, so I want to insert it into the post as a medium-size picture. I insert it into the post, and there it is inserted into the post. The other thing you can do is create galleries. If you have lots of pictures, you create a gallery. You go in and you select your gallery pictures, and you want to optimize the pictures. And what this does is make them lighter. Full resolution pictures weigh a lot, megabytes quite often. When you smush them, what you're doing is converting them from 28 bits to 8 bits. They don't look any different on a screen, but they make the website run faster. So I create a new gallery. You can now give all your pictures captions, and I'll give one of them a caption, and then we insert the gallery into our web page. As you can see, I've created a gallery with too many pictures. So I go back and I edit it, and I'm going to do 2 columns. And let's see, I'm going to make it I'll leave it 3 columns, and I'll make it medium size. So you play with it until you get your pictures the way you want to look at it. The next thing you can do is preview your site. This lets you see how it's going to look to a user when they visit the site. You can also add a featured image, and if you add a featured image, it will show at the top of your post. So set featured image, go back to preview. You see I didn't have to open a new tab. It updated this preview, and now you can see your featured image at the top of the post. If I publish the post will now appear in the AC69 post. I made the initial post on how to sticky. All the other posts will show in the order that they were written. So last post is always the first to show. It's the searchable group of posts, so you can search for anything that is text related. And finally, if you want to add a YouTube link in the post, all you do is go to YouTube, copy, or you can use the share to, which is copy the share link, and then add it to the post. And you'll see that WordPress automatically shows it in the post. I'm going to update the post now. Once you edit, the publish button becomes an update button. Then I'm going to view the post. And as you can see, the YouTube post is within the post, and you can play it. You don't have to leave YouTube. You don't have to leave the post to go to YouTube. So it's very, very easy to use the editor and write your own posts. All of the things you do in terms of editing are on the toolbar. I hope you enjoy writing posts, and we'll call it a day, or an evening, I guess.